Greetings. I ordered a 1 ounce Homer Simpson gold coin from JM Bullion, and I wanted to show you the unboxing. Okay, this is supposed to be a 1 ounce gold coin. It was from JM Bullion. It was one of their sale items a couple of weeks ago. And I like the idea because it had a picture of Homer Simpson on it, and I am a huge Simpsons fan. I mean, for a while, I had seen every single episode until, after 30 seasons, I just can't get into it anymore. But this is the package it came in. This is a good way to hide your name and address information. I don't understand why they sent it in this kind of a box. They recommended that I order it from, that I choose my shipping as UPS. And the thing I like about JM Bullion, I like their sales, I like their customer service in general. I've had very few problems with them in most of my orders. But what I like most about them is the layout of their website. It is very well organized. Let's see. Simpsons gold coin. It says capsule only, 1 troy ounce, and that is supposed to be 31.1035 grams. This is how it comes packed. Maybe I should use the knife to get this. Now, this is from Tuvalu. Tuvalu is a country in the South Pacific. They have one of their main sources of revenue in that country is the .tv domain name in their website. Let's see if I could focus this a little bit more. It's Tuvalu, Queen Elizabeth. 100 Tuvalu dollars. I think this is made by the New Zealand Mint. Niue, Nieu, I don't know how to pronounce that. This is the obverse of the coin with Queen Elizabeth, and this is the reverse of the coin with Homer Simpson, his classic trademark dough. And it was only $60 over spot price, US dollars. And I like this coin. When you get gold, if it's 99.9% gold, or even if it's something like a US Gold Eagle or a South African Krugerrand, it doesn't really matter as long as it has the 1 ounce of gold in it. That's 22 karat gold for those coins. This one is 24 karat gold, 99.99%. I think this is 3 nines fine gold, not 4 nines. 4 nines fine gold. Now, they have gold in 3, 4, and 5 nines. Doesn't really matter that much, the difference. But if you find a good price, like I did, this was only $60 over spot price the week before Christmas, and I thought, oh my God, that's a great price for gold. And I get to see one of my favorite characters on it. If you like the design, why not? I like this design.